Is your system execution path interrupted by the Shell32.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to repair your OS stability. This DLL file is a critical Windows library managing the Windows shell. It provides functions for opening files, managing folders, creating shortcuts, and handling most of the visual elements in Windows Explorer on PC. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. This error indicates that a protected Windows file has been compromised. Use the official System File Checker tool. Run sfc ying-ta scan now in an administrator CMD to ensure the Shell32.dll is restored to its original verified state. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Shell32 file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Manual intervention with the Shell32. DLL is dangerous because it can overwrite newer, secure versions of the file with older, vulnerable ones. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. For general system upkeep, the maintenance-related tool linked below includes information relevant to the Shell32. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure Windows OS core remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.